positive 12 volts at this resistor. This lamp is on. This transistor is good. It is turning on. If we check in diode mode, it will give 0.08. That means it is short circuit, but it is not short circuit. Friends, welcome back to my channel. We will see this MD2009DFX color TV horizontal deflection transistor. How to test it? It is a very different transistor than the normal transistors. NPN transistor. What is speciality in this transistor? There is built-in resistor between base and emitter. It is 60 ohm resistor. Then here is parasitic diode from emitter to collector. RBE 60 ohm, MD2009DFX. When there are built-in components with any transistor, its testing is somewhat different. We will perform two type testing, cold testing and live testing. Multimeter to resistance. If we place in this way, base, collector, emitter. NPN, base positive. We will check this resistor between base to emitter. 57 ohm. Okay. 57.2, 57.5, like that. So it is good reading, but we cannot say it is good because this time we have resistor. We are not testing junction. Set multimeter to diode. If we check in diode mode, it will give 0.08. That means it is short circuit, but it is not short circuit. When we try to test this junction, the resistor is giving parallel path. That is reason we are taking short circuit here. Then collector to emitter, this diode. When we place black lead at collector, red lead at emitter, this diode is in circuit. In one direction, reverse bias, second direction, forward bias. We cannot label it that it is working or it is short circuit. We need live testing. I will use 12 volt lamp. We will connect one lead at collector. I will draw a test circuit here. We will apply 12 volt here, return here. If the transistor is off, lamp will off. If transistor is short circuit, the lamp will glow. I will place one input wire here at lamp point, the second at emitter. 12 volt power supply. First we will connect negative here and positive here. If diode is good, the lamp will illuminate. Positive volt at emitter, negative volt here. This time this diode is good. reverse the voltage. When power supply is in good direction, ground here, diode reverse biased, positive here, and transistor is off. That means this diode is good. Now I will use this 100 ohm 2 watt resistor, and we will connect it at base. Positive 12 volt at this resistor. This lamp is on. This transistor is good. It is turning on. In this way we can verify the function of this transistor. If this video is informative, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.